Hey, what's up, anybody watching this? This got a quick blitzer pack of Unified Minds. They roll out of the regular boosters, so comes with 3 booster packs, this cool coin, and a stack attacker. So we're gonna open it up. Alright, going right into it. First pack is Drillbur, a Dwebble, a Pidove, a Mana, a Pikachu, and Hollow Kangaskhan is the rare. Look at that dragon hair, though. I really like that artwork. That's an awesome reverse hollow. Then we got Kangaskhan hollow with Raichu's chilling in the back. Wow, does 50 damage for each of your tag team Pokemon in play. Phew, that's one hell of a... You could definitely deal out some damage. Dark Energy, Recleth, Fracture, and a Gallium. I know I'm pronouncing these terribly. And I play this online, so I want the booster pack. I know y'all are going to hate me out there in Pokemon community, but I like it. I like the booster packs and I open them up myself. I play that thing pretty heavily. Next, we got a Dragon, a Shroomish, pack 2 right here, Drifloon, Dew Spider, Chris Gull, Terrakin, and Excadrill as the rare. Nothing too glamorous. Fire Energy, Breloom, Koalana, and a Desme. Alright, last pack real quick. A Marine, a Florus, a Raylu, Purloin, Joltik, Cerestia, and a Lucario as the rare. Definitely digging the artwork. Kind of let down with Blitzer, though, you know. You always want to get the ultra rares, secret rares, Steel Energy in the back, a regular Celestia, Dragonair, and that fish thing I can't pronounce. I'm terrible at these names. So, there we have it. Random Blitzer pack. Just wanted to post this. Thanks for watching. Didn't get anything this time. I'll try to be posting more.